Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add estimated time and delivery to your WooCommerce store in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you've not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding our estimated delivery time to our products in WooCommerce. As you can see right here in our dashboard, we can open up the WooCommerce section. That's going to go ahead and enable us to set up a new store and start selling if you do not already have one set up. If you've already set up your store, you'll be able to access it from here, take a look at all the info, product info, and so on, everything that you need and manage it. But what we're looking for, guys, is right here in the plugins section. You want to open up plugins. By opening up plugins section, guys, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins you can use for your WooCommerce store. And at the top of this page, you have a search bar. In the search bar, guys, we want to search for estimated delivery and time. So after searching for it, guys, after searching for estimated deliveries, you can see right here is going to give us a results of all the plugins. And guys, this is the plugin we are using, estimated delivery for WooCommerce. This is what you want to use, guys. This is the plugin that's going to enable you to add the estimated delivery time into your products, and it's going to show in any product that you want to set it up. So just install it from this option right here, and after installing it successfully, guys, you'll be able to find it in your plugins and start using it immediately. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.